Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get unobtainable blocks. First, ensure cheats are enabled in your world settings. This is a crucial step. Once in your world, simply open the chat window, which is where you'll input all your commands. These powerful commands grant you access to many unique blocks that are not typically available in the creative inventory or through normal gameplay. It's a fantastic way to expand your building and design possibilities. Next, let's explore the versatile /give command. This command is perfect for adding specific items directly to your inventory. You'll type /give followed by your player name or @s for yourself, then the block's unique identifier. For example, /give at s barrier will give you one barrier block. You can also specify an amount, like 64, if you need a stack of a particular item. It's a straightforward way to get what you need. Moving on to advanced world management, you can now implement sophisticated world laws to subtly guide the development of your civilizations. Strategically placing new resources will ensure optimal growth and prosperity. It is vital to monitor the long-term effects of your divine interventions, as even small changes can have significant consequences. Always adapt your strategies based on the evolving dynamics of your unique world. Finally, let's look at some fantastic examples of these special blocks. The barrier block, for instance, is an invisible wall that players cannot pass through, perfect for boundaries. Command blocks are incredibly powerful, allowing you to automate complex actions and create custom game mechanics. Structure blocks let you save and load entire builds, making replication easy. And the light block provides invisible light sources, illuminating areas without visible torches. These blocks open up a world of creative possibilities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.